So the switches have arrived, and I've put together the track now just as a test. It's not tacked down, it's just sitting there. So I'm just going to run the train back and forth a bit to make sure we're not getting any problems on the switches. So I went through there okay. Go backwards. Throw the switch. We'll go straight ahead and have a look, see what happens. Down the main line. Okay, went there pretty good, so we'll go back. And it's stalled. Yeah, stalled again. Alright, I'm going to have to check this out. Yeah, so it seems to be happening right on the frog, so I might get a file out and see if I can sand some of that metal back. We might be getting some contact between those two rails. Alright, so I got the file out, and these two rails here, as the wheel goes over, I think the wheel flange is shorting out across here, so I've just filed that out a little bit, and hopefully that'll help. Okay, to update what's been going on, I tried filing out these two tracks here, and then I put it back on the track and it was still stalling. So what I've done is I've actually just cut the track back, and I've put in this little piece of styrene sheet which was super glued in, sanded back down, and then just in front of it here to fill up the hole, I put some clear lacquer. Now I'm still getting some stalling on the points, even though I've gone to this level of cutting it. Okay, so I finished up both points now, and I fixed up the frog areas. I have test run the train on this, and it's still stalling every now and then. But what I have noticed is that these points are actually not flat, so if I push down here in the middle, bends up here on the end, and this end's a bit more severe. So as the loco ran past, I would blue tack down these ends in there, and I got some success with that. So I'm thinking that these points need to be mounted completely flat with no bend, with no twist or bends in it. So I'm just going to go ahead now and I'm going to lay down the cork bed, and then I'm going to sand the top of the cork bed completely flat before I put the track down.